Computer, why is it taking so long to start recording? Okay, this is the third logarithm video of the series Spring 2019 Math 3 Second Semester Final Review. Remember, this video series is not all-inclusive. You're responsible for studying everything we've learned all year long to make sure you're ready for the final. So we're on to the second page here. Only got four more questions in the log portion. If you were to look at the final review, I have the page printed out for us to reference sometimes. We're on to this part right here, answering these next 4 questions about log stuff. Oh, here's the second way we're going to do it right here. All right, let's get to this. This was a concept question from the first test. This was about exponential, about how they find the actual rate for A and B. It tells you a graph of this form, and exponential goes through these 2 points. What's another point on the graph? And on the test, it gave you multiple choice, like this. Okay? But we're not going to do that. We're going to figure out the points outside on our own. So let's say we have an X and a Y. So we're going to figure out that point on our own. We've got 1, 10 and 2, 20, and we're going to figure out this point right here. Okay, remember this is an exponential form, so we have a common ratio going, and we're multiplying. Going from here to here, what is actually happening there? Yeah, it's timesing times 2, right? Times 2. So it looks like we're just stepping up by ones. So if this is a 3, what does this value have to be? 40. And then going backwards, what is the operation going to be? Yeah, the inverse. Divide by 2. What's 10 divided by 2? 5, and this must be a 0. So it's either 0, 5 or 340, and the answer would be A, 0, 5. Okay? Any questions on that concept? Okay, here's a straight calculator problem. If you understand the order of operations, they give you a population, I think it's butterflies, starting out at 2,000 and increases at this rate. What's the population after 7 years? So you should evaluate this function. Okay, you guys remember how to do this on a calculator? How do we do the 1.05 to the 7th thing? Is using this little caret doofer right here. Okay, so 1.05 raised up to the 7th. Everybody see that? Okay, so that's going to be this part, 1.047, yada, yada, yada. Now we're going to just hit multiplied times 2,000. And it should be around 2,814 butterflies. Okay, so approximately 2,814. And look at the answers. Isn't it about 2,800? Do any of these others make sense? Nope, they don't. So again, this one would be A. All right, any questions on those 2 problems right there? Okay, that's it for that video.